So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadeva classes. You are in standard 6 and this is the second chapter of your English textbook. Okay, second start of your English textbook. The name of the chapter is Sources of History. The name of the chapter is Sources of History. In this chapter, we are going to see what are the sources of history. So there are three sources of history: material sources, second we have written sources, and third we have oral sources, right? As well as we are going to see in this chapter sources of ancient Indian history. And finally, the last point we are going to see what are the precautions to be taken while writing a history or writing history. Getting samjha? Chalo. So let's start and let's see what are the sources of history. And the first one is material sources. So what are the material sources? See, a number of objects, a number of objects used by our ancestors still exist, right? They are still exist. पता है तुमको? Some of the inscriptions from the past event or past have been recovered. Sources like these help us to understand our history. तो इससे हमको क्या पता चलता है? We get to know the history. Okay, history का importance, history हमको पता चलती है कि how the history was at that time. Okay, how the people were at that time and how was the condition at that time. So history can also be learned through customs and traditions, folk arts, folk literature, as well as historical documents. Historical documents. So all these are known as sources of history. There are three sources of history, right? Sources of history समझा? So there are three sources of history. So from which we can get to know about the history. History समझेंगे कैसे? तो हमको ये पता चलना चाहिए that we get to know. The three sources are material sources, written sources, and oral sources. Material sources, written sources, and oral sources. So we'll see one by one all these sources. We'll not complete the lesson today. We'll complete tomorrow. But आज क्या पढ़ना देखो now. तो इसमें क्या क्या आता है देखो. Structures such as forts, rock-cut caves, stupas, etc. are known as the material sources of history. Try to guess what are the other sources. Okay, try to guess what are the other sources known as material sources. Material means what? That can be touched and they are present and they are present from the long time. बड़े बड़े उसमें forts आते हैं. There are various coins and all. So man uses a variety of things in his day-to-day life. They are known as artifacts, right? Artifacts used by humans in the past provide us valuable information about life in ancient times. We can decide the period of ancient artifacts like earthen pots by studying the shape, color, and what? Here. Okay, shape, color, and designs. Shape, color, and designs. Okay, shape, color, and designs of ancient pots. So we can see what are the things available at that time, what was the shape of those things, and what for what purposes they were used. So designs of ancient pot sheds. The ornaments, which types of ornaments पता है आपको? जो भी हम जेके दागिने वापरते हो, जो भी हम ornaments use करते हैं, the ornaments कैसे कैसे ornaments were at that time or other artifacts through life light on the social interactions. We get information about the diet of the people from the remains of the food grain, seed, and bones of the animals found in the excavations, right? So we also know कि क्या को लोग खाते थे उस समय में, कैसे लोग कपड़ा पहनते थे, और which of the animals they were keeping, right? Now also we find the remains of houses and buildings. So what kind of houses? कैसे घर होते थे? अभी आज हमारे जो घर है वैसे होते थे? No, they were different in the ancient time, right? And the buildings, आज जो building देख रहे हैं बड़े बड़े buildings, so they were not present at that time. उनका अलग अलग present हो गया. Now we also find ancient coins and seal. Coins देखते हैं अलग से, seal अलग अलग है. All this gives us information about human activities in the past. So human कैसे थे? How were they? So हमको ये समझ में आएगा. बोलो क्या हुआ बेटा? Who is talking? Any doubt, guys? पूछ सकते हैं मुझे, लेकिन आप बाद में पूछोगे तो अच्छा होगा. So
No,
all
sir.
okay. All such artifacts, articles, and monuments or their ruins are called as material sources. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Material sources. Getting so the first thing we have seen what are the material sources, right? चलो. You can see there are different now coins, food grains. They're also part of the material sources. Then potsherd, ornaments, earthen pots, like that. Now written sources में क्या क्या आता है देखो. Written sources now. रिटर्न सोर्सेस मतलब लिहिलेले, लक्षात घ्या. रिटर्न sources of history include inscriptions carved on the temple walls, then walls of the rock cut caves and rock inscriptions and copper plates, pots, bricks, and on writing sheets made from palm leaves and birch bark. Okay, birch bark में लिहिलेलं, कहीं पे तो लिखा होगा ना, तो कहाँ कहाँ पे लिखा होगा? टेम्पल पे, देन केव्स में, गुहेमध्ये लिहिलं असतं, देन ऑन द रॉक्स. कॉपर प्लेट, देखो कॉपर प्लेट का आपको यहाँ पे एक डायग्राम भी दे दिया, फिगर दे दिया यहाँ पे. सो दिस इज कॉपर प्लेट. कॉपर पता है ना, कॉपर, तांबे, तांबा, उसका प्लेट उस पर लिखा होता है. या फिर इंस्क्रिप्शंस ऑन अ रॉक, इंस्क्रिप्शंस ऑन अ रॉक. गेटिंग नाउ. रिटर्न सोर्सेस आर व्हाट्स द स्टोन एज पीपल. कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? द स्टोन एज पीपल have recorded many events and expressed their emotions in paintings on rocks. ठीक है, paintings on rocks. So it was only after thousands of years that man learned the art of writing. Man learned the art of writing. धीरे धीरे उसने लिखना शुरू किया. लगेच त्याला शिकलं नाही. आता तुम्ही जे लिहिताय, that was very much different from the thing present in the past. खूप वेगळी लिपी होती त्यांची. In the beginning, humans used symbols and signs to record their thoughts and ideas. However, it took thousands of years for a script to develop from this. हे लगेच काय डेव्हलप झालं का नाही? इट टुक thousands of years. हळूहळू सगळं डेव्हलप झालेलं आहे. Now, in the beginning, सुरुवातीला काय झालं बघा. In the beginning, what happened? Man wrote on potsherds, on barked bricks, using pointed objects. He also used birch. Birch म्हणजे भुर्ज. भुर्ज tree to bark on the trees. आगे आपको डायग्राम है उसका. As his experience and knowledge increased, he began to write in different ways. धीरे धीरे उसने क्या किया? चेंज कर दिया. And the writing का जो मेथड था, it was changed. He began to record events that took place around him. क्या किया उसने? What was happening? जो भी उसके बाजू बाजू में जो भी events होते थे. So he started writing. He started writing and he started noting down the events. जो भी events होते थे, he started writing down. क्या हुआ बेटा? एक सेकंड. आवाज नहीं आ. So where were we? Okay, he began to record. So what he began to record the events that took place around him. Also accounts of the proceedings of royal courts. राजा के दरबार में जो भी होता था, जो भी orders होते थे, जो भी proceedings होता था, he started recording. Were also written systematically. उन्होंने systematically written. Many rulers had their orders, judicial decisions, donations, etc. inscribed on stone or copper plates. Over a period of time, what happened? Many forms of literature developed. They included books of religion and religious and social subjects, plays, poetries, travelogues, and scientific works. All these literatures help us to understand the history of the various historical periods, right? These are the sources known as written sources. तर काय काय केलं बघा, काय काय केलं नेमकं. द पीपल ट्रॅव्हल्स, लोक इकडे तिकडे गेले, ट्रॅव्हलिंग केलं, उन्होंने वो पूरा लिख के रखा कि बाबा व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग इन एंड वेयर, जहाँ पे क्या क्या होता था वो लिखा. एज वेल एज कुछ पोएट्रीज आहे, पोएम लिहिल्या. प्लेज, नाटक, प्ले म्हणजे नाटक, नाटक होते त्यावेळेस काही काही. सायंटिफिक वर्क काही झालं ते सर्व त्यांनी लिहून ठेवलं आहे. सो ऑल द थिंग्स आर इन्क्लूड इन द रिटर्न सोर्सेस. दे आर इन्क्लूड इन द रिटर्न सोर्सेस, राइट? सो दिस इज द भुर्ज ट्री. देखो, this is a birch tree or bhurja tree, you can see here. And this bhurja patra means writing sheets made from the bark, of a birch tree. Bhurja is the Sanskrit name, उसको संस्कृत में भुर्जा कहते हैं, of a birch tree. It is found in the Kashmir. वो कहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको? कश्मीर में. एंड दिस इज अ भुर्जा पत्र. उस पर हम लिखते थे बहुत पुराने समय में. उस वक्त हमारे जो अभी जो यूज कर रहे हैं ना पेपर, इट वाज नॉट प्रेजेंट एट दैट टाइम, राइट? Then lastly, you have oral sources. So what are the oral sources? See, ovis, folk songs and folk tales and similar literature is passed on from generation to generation by word of mouth. By word of mouth, right? So एक वो बोलते थे, एक जो गुरुजी मतलब द टीचर वाज यूज्ड टू से, या नॉट ओनली टीचर, लेकिन ये एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन में ट्रांसफर होते रहता था. दिस वाज द ट्रांसफरिंग. दिस लिटरेचर इज नॉट रिटन इन, दिस लिटरेचर इज नॉट इन द रिटन फॉर्म. हे लिहून ठेवलेलं कुठे नाही. ओके, नो वन हैज रिटन, देयरफॉर इट्स ऑथर्स आर अननोन. किसने किया है, किसने पता नहीं था. It was unknown. This type of literature preserved by oral tradition form or oral sources, इसको हम oral sources कहते हैं. एकापासून दुसऱ्याला माहित पडणे, एक से दूसरे को पता चलना. ओके, आपको पता होगा कि आपके अगर दादा दादी है और some of the aged people, they don't have प्रॉपर एजुकेशन नहीं है, फिर भी उनको पता है. देखो ये यहाँ पे आपको दिया है, मराठी में दिया है, वो भी दिया है यहाँ पे. पांडुरंग पिता रुक्मिणी माझी बाया, आषाढवारी येला पुंडलिका आला न्याय, ये वो भी है. ओके, एंड as well you have given one folk song, उज्जैन. उज्जैन मीन्स उजनी. महानगरी उजनी लय पुण्यवान दानी, तेथे नांदत होता राजा, सुखी होती प्रजा, तिन्ही लोकी गाजावाजा असा उजनीचा इक्राम राजा. इक्राम मीन्स विक्रमादित्य. ही वॉज द रूलर ऑफ उज्जैन. वो भी आपको है आगे, ये तुम्हाला शिकायचंच आहे पुढे सर्व. गेटिंग? No. So today, tomorrow what we'll do, we'll see the source of, ये भी हम थोड़ा डिटेल में देखेंगे, as well as 2.4 sources of ancient history, then precautions to be taken, as well as we'll see the question and answers. So this chapter will again continue tomorrow.